Welcome to Fact Fusion. Today, we're exploring the vast and mysterious universe to uncover some of the strangest galaxies out there. Our universe is filled with billions of galaxies, each with its own unique properties. However, some galaxies stand out due to their bizarre shapes, unusual behaviors, and fascinating characteristics. Buckle up as we embark on a cosmic journey to discover the top 5 strangest galaxies in the universe. 1. Hoag's Object. The perfect ring Hoag's Object is one of the most peculiar galaxies ever discovered. This galaxy looks like a perfect ring with a bright core in the center. Imagine a donut with a glowing middle. This unusual shape makes Hoag's Object a rare sight in the universe. Scientists believe that this galaxy formed after a smaller galaxy passed through a larger one, creating a gravitational ripple that shaped the ring. The central core is made up of older stars, while the ring consists of younger, blue stars. Hoag's Object is an extraordinary example of a ring galaxy, a type of galaxy that is extremely rare. There are only a few known ring galaxies, and Hoag's Object is one of the most famous among them. This fascinating galaxy lies about 600 million light-years away from us in the constellation Serpens, and it was discovered by astronomer Arthur Hoag in 1950. Studying Hoag's Object helps scientists understand more about galaxy formation and the effects of galactic collisions. The perfect symmetry and beauty of this galaxy make it a true wonder of the universe. Number 2. The Black Eye Galaxy, the evil eye in space. The Black Eye Galaxy, also known as M64, is famous for its sinister appearance. This galaxy gets its name from a dark band of dust that crosses in front of its bright nucleus, making it look like it has a black eye. This dust band is actually a dense cloud of gas and dust, where new stars are being born. The Black Eye Galaxy is also unique because its inner regions rotate in the opposite direction of its outer regions, a phenomenon known as counter-rotation. This counter-rotation is likely the result of a past collision with a smaller galaxy, which merged with M64 and caused the inner and outer parts to rotate differently. The Black Eye Galaxy is located about 17 million light-years away from us in the constellation Coma Berenices. This galaxy is part of the Virgo cluster, a group of galaxies that includes some of the nearest and brightest galaxies in the sky. Studying the Black Eye Galaxy helps astronomers understand the complex dynamics of galaxy mergers and the role of dark matter in galaxy formation. The eerie appearance and fascinating internal dynamics of the Black Eye Galaxy make it a standout in the universe. 3. Sombrero Galaxy, the hat-shaped wonder. The Sombrero Galaxy, also known as M104, looks like a giant hat floating in space. This galaxy has a bright, bulbous core surrounded by a large, flat disk of dust and gas, giving it the appearance of a sombrero. The Sombrero Galaxy is one of the brightest galaxies in the Virgo cluster, and it is visible with even small telescopes. What makes the Sombrero Galaxy truly unique is its unusually large central bulge, which contains a supermassive black hole. This black hole is one of the most massive known, with a mass of about 1 billion times that of our Sun. The central bulge is made up of older, red stars, while the disk contains younger blue stars and a lot of dust and gas. This combination gives the galaxy its distinctive appearance. The Sombrero Galaxy is located approximately 31 million light-years away from us in the constellation Virgo. It was discovered by Pierre Méchain in 1781 and later observed by Charles Messier, who included it in his famous catalog of astronomical objects. The Sombrero Galaxy's unique shape and brilliant core make it one of the most recognizable galaxies in the night sky. Studying this galaxy helps astronomers learn more about the formation and evolution of galaxies, as well as the role of supermassive black holes in their centers. 4. The Cartwheel Galaxy, a cosmic wheel in motion. The Cartwheel Galaxy is one of the most strikingly strange galaxies due to its resemblance to a giant wheel. This galaxy got its shape from a dramatic collision with another galaxy, causing ripples of stars and gas to spread outwards like ripples in a pond. These ripples formed the galaxy's distinctive ring structure. The Cartwheel Galaxy is located about 500 million light-years away from us in the constellation Sculptor. It was discovered by astronomer Fritz Zwicky in 1941. The Cartwheel Galaxy's ring is made up of bright, young stars that were formed by the shockwaves from the collision. Inside the ring, there are also several smaller, irregular galaxies that were likely involved in the collision. The central region of the Cartwheel Galaxy is less bright and contains older stars. This galaxy is a perfect example of how powerful cosmic events can shape galaxies in unexpected ways. The Cartwheel Galaxy is also a starburst galaxy, meaning that it has a very high rate of star formation. This intense star formation is a direct result of the galactic collision that created the ring structure. Studying the Cartwheel Galaxy helps astronomers understand more about the processes that drive star formation and the effects of galaxy collisions. The unique shape and dynamic history of the Cartwheel Galaxy make it a fascinating object to study. 5. The Antennae Galaxies, a galactic dance. The Antennae Galaxies are actually two galaxies in the process of merging. They are called the antenna because their long, streaming tails of stars and gas resemble insect antennae. This dramatic collision has triggered intense star formation, making these galaxies some of the brightest in the night sky. As these galaxies continue to merge, they will eventually form a single, larger galaxy. The Antennae Galaxies are located about 45 million light-years away from us in the constellation Corvus. They were discovered by William Herschel in 1785. The collision between the two galaxies began about a few 100 million years ago and is still ongoing. The Antennae Galaxies are a prime example of what happens when galaxies collide. The gravitational forces involved in the collision pull stars, gas, and dust out of the galaxies, creating the long tails that give the Antennae Galaxies their name. The intense star formation in these galaxies is driven by the compression of gas clouds during the collision. This starburst activity makes the Antennae Galaxies some of the most active star-forming regions in the universe. Studying the Antennae Galaxies helps astronomers learn more about the processes that occur during galaxy mergers and the role of star formation in the evolution of galaxies. The ongoing cosmic dance of the Antennae Galaxies provides a spectacular glimpse into the future of galaxy evolution. The universe is full of wonders, and these 5 galaxies are just a few examples of its incredible diversity. From rings and sombreros to black eyes and cosmic wheels, each galaxy has its own story to tell. These strange and beautiful galaxies remind us how much there is still to learn about the cosmos. Their unique shapes, unusual behaviors, and fascinating characteristics make them some of the most interesting objects in the universe. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fact Fusion, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.